Ever pondered how much copper impacts our daily lives or its place in the world economy? It's a question that might not cross your mind often, but the answer is fascinating. Copper, the reddish gold metal known for its high conductivity and malleability, is an essential element in our modern world. It's nearly everywhere, from the electronics that power our lives to the structures that provide our shelter. Consider your daily routine. You wake up to an alarm clock, brew a cup of coffee, check your phone, and drive to work. Did you realize that each of these actions involves copper? It's in the wires that power your alarm clock, the heating element that warms your coffee, the circuitry inside your phone, and the motor of your car. Even the pipes distributing water in your home are typically made of copper. It's a ubiquitous part of our lives, often unseen but utterly indispensable. But copper's role doesn't stop at our doorstep. It's a critical player in the global economy. You see, copper is a key component in sectors like construction, electronics, and power generation. It's used in everything from building infrastructure to manufacturing appliances, from wiring power grids to producing renewable energy technologies. Speaking of renewable energy, the rise of this sector is creating a surge in copper demand. Copper is a key ingredient in solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles, all of which are becoming increasingly popular as we strive to combat climate change. For example, a single electric vehicle contains up to 183 pounds of copper. That's more than 4 times the amount used in a conventional car. So as we look to a future where renewable energy solutions and electric vehicles become the norm, we can expect the demand for copper to continue to rise. It's not just a metal, it's an essential part of our modern sustainable world. Copper, with its growing demand and multi-purpose use, is indeed a hidden gem in our daily lives and the global economy. So the next time you charge your phone or drink a cup of hot coffee, remember the important role that this versatile metal plays. But where does copper fit in the world of investments, you may ask? Well, let me tell you, it's quite an intriguing tale. One that's packed with potential and brimming with opportunities for those who dare to venture into the world of commodities. Copper, this versatile metal, finds its place in numerous industries. It's used in everything from construction to electronics, renewable energy to electric vehicles, and even healthcare. This wide-ranging utility creates a strong and constant demand for copper, making it a potentially lucrative investment. In an era where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, the demand for copper is only set to increase. Think about it. More tech gadgets, more electric vehicles, more renewable energy solutions, they all require copper. As this demand grows, the price of copper could very well follow suit, offering impressive returns for those who've had the foresight to invest. But the benefits of investing in copper don't stop there. Copper, like other commodities, can act as a hedge against inflation. When the cost of goods and services rises, so too does the price of commodities like copper. This means that investing in copper can help protect your wealth during times of economic uncertainty. Moreover, copper can add a touch of diversity to your investment portfolio. It's a tangible asset, unlike stocks and bonds, and it behaves differently in response to market conditions. This can help to balance your portfolio, reducing risk and potentially enhancing returns over the long term. Yet, as with any investment, it's essential to approach with caution. While copper has its advantages, it also comes with its share of risks. Prices can be volatile, influenced by factors such as global economic health, political stability, and supply disruptions. In the end, copper is more than just a metal. It's a commodity that's deeply woven into the fabric of our modern lives. It's a symbol of progress and innovation. Investing in copper, thus, can be a strategic move in growing and protecting your wealth. You might be wondering, how does one invest in copper? Well, like all investments, the journey begins with a good deal of research. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the copper market. Just like gold or oil, copper is a commodity, and its price fluctuates based on supply and demand dynamics. Comprehending these price trends is an essential step in your investment journey. Copper prices are influenced by a myriad of factors. Industrial demand plays a significant role, with sectors like construction and electronics being major consumers. Additionally, geopolitical events, natural disasters, or anything that impacts mining operations can cause price fluctuations. For instance, if a major copper-producing country faces a political crisis, it can disrupt the supply, causing prices to spike. Another crucial factor to consider is the global economy's health. When economies are booming, industries expand and the demand for copper increases. Conversely, in a downturn, demand might decrease, leading to a drop in copper prices. The outlook of the copper industry is another essential aspect to consider. With the world increasingly leaning towards green energy, copper's role is set to increase. It's a key component in electric vehicles and renewable energy infrastructure, indicating a promising future demand. Understanding these factors will help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell copper. However, it's important to keep in mind that the copper market, like any commodity market, can be unpredictable and influenced by unforeseen events. The next step in your copper investment journey is to decide on your investment method. There are various ways to invest in copper, from buying physical copper to investing in copper mining companies or copper ETFs. Each method has its own set of advantages and risks, which we'll delve into in the next part of this series. Knowledge is power. Before diving into copper investments, equip yourself with a thorough understanding of the copper market. This will not only help you navigate potential risks, but also identify opportunities that others might overlook. So stay curious, stay informed, and let your copper investment journey begin. Now that you've done your research, what's the next step in investing in copper? Well, it's time to explore the different ways you can invest in this versatile metal and understand the pros and cons of each method. One way is to buy physical copper. This could be in the form of copper bars or coins. The advantage of this is that you're holding a tangible asset, something you can touch and feel, and it's not subject to the whims of the stock market. However, there are some drawbacks. Storing physical copper can be a challenge. You also have to consider the costs associated with insuring it, and selling it may not be as straightforward as selling stocks or ETFs. Another way to invest in copper is through stocks of copper mining companies. When these companies do well, their stock prices tend to rise, and so does your investment. This method gives you exposure to the copper market without having to deal with physical copper. On the downside, your investment is also affected by company-specific factors, such as management decisions and company performance, which may not always align with the copper market. Lastly, there's the option of investing in copper exchange, traded funds, or ETFs and futures. These are financial instruments that track the price of copper. The plus side, you're not dealing with physical copper, nor are you tied to the performance of a single company. However, these instruments can be complex. Understanding them requires a fair bit of financial knowledge, and the volatility can be higher compared to stocks. In conclusion, each method of investing in copper has its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Whether it's buying physical copper, investing in copper mining stocks, or diving into the world of copper ETFs and futures, each offers a unique way to tap into the copper market. But remember, as with any investment, there's always a level of risk involved. Choosing the right investment method that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance is crucial. So weigh your options carefully, do your due diligence, and make the choice that best fits your investment strategy. Let's recap what we've explored in our copper investment journey today. We started off by shedding light on the ubiquitous presence of copper in our daily lives. This element, often overlooked, is a silent workhorse powering our gadgets, facilitating our communications, and even protecting our health with its antimicrobial properties. It's the hidden gem that's been under our noses all along, a fundamental cog in the vast machinery of our global economy. Then we delved into the significance of copper investments. Copper, with its wide-ranging applications, is a key indicator of economic health. As such, it offers a unique investment opportunity. As we've noted, copper's demand is projected to rise in the future, driven by the growth of industries like renewable energy, electric vehicles, and advanced electronics. This is where potential benefits of investing in copper come into play, offering investors a chance to capitalize on this upward trend. Next, we walked through the process of investing in copper. We discussed various avenues such as physical copper, copper futures, copper mining stocks, and copper-focused exchange-traded funds. We emphasized the importance of due diligence, understanding market trends, and solidifying a strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Finally, we covered some practical tips for investing in copper. We stressed the importance of diversification, the need to keep an eye on global economic trends and how they affect copper prices, and the necessity of patience and long-term perspective in the investment journey. In essence, copper is more than just a metal. It's a gateway to understanding global economic trends, a tool for diversification, and an opportunity to capitalize on future market developments. Remember, investing is a journey. As with any investment, understanding and patience are key. Happy investing.